Hi fellas, Ben back again. Just got this today, and this is going to be the Sparrowteck performance sprocket. I already opened the packaging. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful. You got to give it to the brand. The brand has some serious understanding of how to package things, how to make them look and feel special. So yes, a beautiful print, a white and red on black lid. Very happy. And on the sides as well, it's a nicely done package. I'm very happy about that. But what's more interesting is this. This is a 42 teeth sprocket from Sparrowteck again. This is going to make my bike even more torquier than it already is. My bike runs a 40 teeth now. With a 42, it's going to be a lot more easy inclines, that is hill climbs. It's going to be a lot more torquey. 0 to 60, 0 to 100 is going to come up in no time. I'm going to shave off another, I believe, 15.15 to a half second. And the roll-on speeds are going to improve. The only downside to this is is that it's going to cause the engine to be a little stressed when you cruise at a higher speed, at a higher RPM. So the RPMs will go up, but they'll come up quickly as well. Because Ben is primarily an off-road motorcycle now, this is the right direction. Play with sprockets and kind of increase the torque. So yeah, the Ben currently runs a 1540. The stock is a 1538, 525 pitch. I'm running a 1540, 520 pitch. So going to a 1542 is going to make the gear ratio 2.8. A 2.8 gear ratio is a very good gear ratio for a 400cc motorcycle. That's decent power that can be put to use in almost all kinds of terrain. And so this is going to just be a performance upgrade, nothing else. I would highly recommend against it if you want something like this, a 42 teeth for road business, not a road business sprocket, purely off-road trail riding, not even adventure riding, trail riding business, trail riding, attack, performance, racing, all that jazz. So yeah, 42 teeth, Sparrowteck makes 38, Sparrowteck makes 40. And you can definitely get in touch with them and they'll do whatever it is that you want them to do. The sprocket is finished really well, super lightweight, weighs about 670 grams. So I'm saving a good amount of unsprung mass. Unsprung mass is all that mass or weight that acts below the suspension of a motorcycle. So with 663 grams or 666 grams, you know for a fact that this is going to spin a lot more quickly, freely, and will aid with acceleration. The stock sprocket and this, the difference would be between 150 to 200 grams easily. So yeah, so remember, this is a 520 pitch sprocket. That is the width. It's not a 525 pitch. So if you were to run a sprocket like this, then you would definitely need the gold chain. Yeah, so remember that. Just don't confuse these with the stock setup. So that's a 520 gold chain from RK. Again, 520. Slimmer chain. Some lovely stickers. This is going to go on the swing arm. Good quality stickers. This is going to go on the tank. I'm truly grateful for people who do this. Real enthusiasts. I ordered this sprocket. It took about a month, almost a month of waiting, and you kind of get all anxious about about the whole waiting thing. It starts getting to your nerves, but then when you finally receive it, when you see it like this, all is forgotten and forgiven, and you're very happy for having gotten something like this. And a big thank you to the brand, because they've kind of taken this up as a serious thing. They have some serious principles. If you guys can see the packaging, the fit and finish of this sprocket is unbelievably good. What I have currently running on my motorcycle is a sprocket from Race Performance or Race Factory, yes. And this sprocket looks like it's a much better built sprocket than the race factory sprocket that I'm currently running. The length of the teeth is also almost on par with the factory length of the teeth. The groove, everything resembles that of factory sprockets, whereas the one from the race factory sprocket that I had, the teeth and everything is just a little too long, too deep a groove. Looks a little rudimentary. Does not look like a polished, finished, neat job. This is so much more neat and well finished, and I'm sure that there are plenty of people who have reviewed this sprocket. They just keep going and going and going. So yeah, I'm assuming that the quality is also going to be better than what I have currently running on the motorcycle. So a big thank you to the brand for taking this up seriously and for offering this as options for people who are enthusiasts. People like me who want to meddle with things, who want to keep doing things to their motorcycles. These custom design, custom engineering solutions, I have nothing but gratitude for them. Big thank you to the brand for having sent something like this my way. I purchased it with my own money. I'll definitely drop a link and a contact number in the description of this video for you guys to get in touch with the person in charge for this and work it out between you and them. I mean, you can order your sprockets from them. Very happy with the way things are. Very professional setup. Quickly installing this on the bike and going out for a test ride and letting you guys know how this feels and performs.